Well, there's been some recent developments that have happened in the UAE, and I'd love to catch up with you on them. How do you see these Etisalat and Do launching unlimited? Zbig?
Yeah, when you think about it, it's, I would say globally, operators or customers actually have been suffering from two problems with mobile data from the very beginning. Problem number one was that they have no control of how much data phone uses. So you will put the phone on the side, it will download some updates, something happens, and here you go. This is your bill to pay, Mr. Customer, and it's $200. The second problem actually is exactly that I don't control how much it uses, and I'm scared that I'm going to get a bill shock. The first thing, or actually the second problem of a bill shock has been broadly solved, right? So operators around the world came to their senses saying, okay, we cannot slap this kind of charges on customers. And what we will need to do is to stop it. So either no more overcharges, or they stop the bundle, or they slow down the speed after you utilize your bundle to the point that it's useless. Right. The second problem, which is the anxiety of how much data does my phone use, or how much data do I need, has also been solved in a way by offering different shapes and forms and flavors of unlimited.